Yeah. The solution. The first curve, this is equation number 1. Let me take the second equation. The first curve is symmetric. This we know from parabolas, but for the student's purpose, I'm just talking about this. First curve is symmetric about x-axis. Why? Because y is even power. As y is even power, because values of y will be positive and negative. If we find out the square root of y of this value, then y will be obtained in two terms, negative, positive value. Undoubtedly, so x-axis is the symmetric axis. So is even power. This we have talked about in curve tracing. Second curve is symmetric. It is symmetric about this y-axis. Symmetric about. So what kind of curves will be there? Okay, so the first curve is this one. X-axis, origin, x dash axis, y-axis, y dash axis. Second curve is this. Let me take, this is the intersecting point here. This is the shaded portion or the area under the two curves common to both the curves. This is the area here. If I take elementary strip here, elementary strip, this is the elementary strip. So P, Q, R and S, and this is Q and delta S, sorry, dx. And difference is dx here. If I take, okay, so area under the two curves. Now this is the curve which is parabola. This one, first parabola. This is the first one, and this is the second one, second equation. Okay, so what is the area under these two? First, we have to find out what are the common points, intersecting point. First, origin. Okay, both are passing to the origin. Origin is the common point. First common point. Second common point is this one. Let me first find out the common point here. If I square this second one, if I square, we will get, we're squaring second one, finding the intersecting point or common point. So finding the intersecting point, finding the intersecting points, squaring the second, we get, this is x4 equal to 16 a square y square. Finding y value, y square value, y square, this implies that y square equal to x4 upon 16 a square. Now putting this value of y square, this is third one, putting this in first, the first equation. In first we get, what do we get here? Y square is this value, this is x4 upon 16 a square is equal to 4ax. Multiplying both and then taking to one side, it will be x4 minus 16 for the 64 into aq into x equal to 0. If I take x common, alright, only x common, this is xq minus 64, aq only equal to 0. So first x equal to 0, second is this is 4a whole cube, so x equal to 4a, second because 4a cube, 4a whole cube is 64a cube, so x equal to, from second point, 4a. So intersecting point is 4a here, value of x. What is value of y here? That I have to calculate. Therefore, and y is equal to, if I put y equal to x equal to 4a, x equal to 4a here, y will be equal to 16a square upon 4a from second equation equal to y. Y is also 4. 4a. So y is also 4a. This is the intersection point here. The limits are 0 to, this is a point, let me take a here, this is b point. A point is 4a, common point. And this is the, b point. So this is 4a. So limits are 0 to 4a or x coordinate. For dx we have to apply. Therefore, common area between the two curves, let me find out. So, therefore, common area between the two curves, therefore, common area between the two curves is equal to 0 to 4a limits. First is f1x. First f1x, this parabola, which is the first one. This is, let me take y dx. This is y1. Let me take y1. First, let me write f1x. That is better. Minus 0 to 4a. This is f2x into dx. So substituting the parabola first, which is this one, first one. So this is 4. Y is equal to under root 2. That means 2 under root ax into dx. Y is equal to, because y square is equal to this. Alright, minus sign 0 to 4a. And here y is equal to x square upon 4a. Simple. This is dx. Now solving them. And then common area. Just subtract the second parabola, equation of parabola, from the first one. So common area is obtained then. This is twice under root a are taken outside. This is x 0 to 4a. This is x dx. Under root x dx. Minus sign 1.4a I have taken outside. 0 to 4a. X square only into dx. So this is under root x. Now integrating this, it will give us x raised to power 3 by 2, because 1.2 plus 1, that means 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, that means 2 by 3. Limits 0 to 4a minus 1.4a, into, this is x cube upon 3, limits 0 to 4a. Again substituting the limit and solving it, we obtain, let me solve it here. Finally, this is twice under root a means a raised power half, first one, into 4a whole power. This is 2 upon 3 I have taken outside. Next is for 3, that means 4a whole power 3 by 2. Minus sign 1.4a into 3 also I have taken outside. X cube means 4a whole cube. That we have to solve. Now here a raised power 3 by 2 and a half power, that means 4 by 2 means square. A square is okay. This is a square 2 into 2 upon 3 into a square. This is 64, or let me write it as 2 raised power 2. A I have taken outside, so 2 raised power 2 means 2 to cancel. 2 raised power 3 means 8 only. So this is 8 here. Minus 1.12a into 64a cube. This a is also there, so this is a square again. 1a cancelled out. 1a there also cancelled out. This is 4 into 8, 32. A square upon 3. Minus from this 4 3 and 4 16 times. So 16a square upon 3. The second one. Y, this is, what is 64 and this is 12. 3 4 is 12. Only 4 3 is 12 and 4 16 times. So this is 16 upon 3a square. Alright. Now 3 LCM, so this is 16 minus 6, 32 minus 16 is 16 only. 16a square upon 3 is the answer. This is the square unit area. Value of the area is numerically 16a square upon 3. This is the answer here. This is question number 3 we have done. Okay. Now, fourth question we have to talk about. Let us talk about question number 4. Okay, so question number 4. Let me talk about. Question number 4 here. What is that? Your question number 4 is y square, first curve is equal to ax, y square equal to 4ax, this is 4ax parabola, and x square equal to 4by, and again this is 4by. So in the first one we were having here a both, but here it is b only. The only difference, the curve will be of the same type, but this I'll do after 5 minutes break because I have to do some emergent work. Okay. So see you in the after 5 minutes. Okay, see you.